Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's video is so special because it's my favorite cake to make, and it's a Fragilité cake. It's a very fragile meringue based cake that's loaded with hazelnuts. And I thought to myself, it's Halloween season, why not decorate it in a different way? Let's make it a little bit more fun. I hope you'll like the idea, and let's get started. Here I toasted some hazelnuts, about a cup, and I'm gonna give you all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. I'm gonna use a towel to remove the shells from the hazelnuts, and I'm gonna let them cool completely. I process finely and I set them aside. Meanwhile, I'm gonna whip the egg whites, 4 egg whites. And here I have the amount of powdered sugar, 200 grams. I'm gonna divide them in 2 portions. Half of the amount I'm gonna mix with the hazelnuts, and the other half I'm gonna mix with the egg whites, just like you're gonna see right now. I set the hazelnuts aside, and I'm gonna work on the egg whites. I add the egg whites and add the remaining sugar slowly. And it's always better to work with room temperature eggs, so it's better to remove the eggs out of the fridge like an hour before using. I'm gonna add the sugar slowly until I have stiff peaks. This is exactly what I'm looking for, the stiff peaks. It doesn't fall off my spatula. And now at this point, I'm gonna fold in the hazelnuts with the sugar very, very gently until all of it is incorporated. And if you're liking my recipes so far, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. Now I'm gonna place in a bag and pipe the shape of a skull. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just like so. I'm gonna fill the whole thing, and I'm gonna bake at 400 degrees for 2 minutes, and then lower the temperature to 300 degrees and bake 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the oven afterwards and let it stay in the oven while it's turned off for another 10 minutes. And I have a little bit of a batter left. I'm gonna pipe some kisses on top of parchment paper. Bake the same way, just pay attention, these might need a little less time in the oven. They need to be crispy on the outside, that's how you know they're ready. And while the cake shell is baking, I'm gonna prep a great filling. 3 egg yolks, I add to that 150 grams of butter, room temperature. I mix a little bit, and then I add the powdered sugar, the cocoa powder, and a touch of instant coffee, and I mix. And I'm cooking this mixture over a double boiler. That means there is a pot of simmering water underneath my bowl. I keep on mixing. It's gonna become soupy at first. It's gonna take a while, and it's gonna become thicker afterwards. I'm gonna place in the fridge to cool down completely for about an hour. The meringue cookie is out of the oven. I should let it cool completely before decorating. It should be crispy to the touch. That's what we're looking for. It's perfect. And you can choose to fill the whole thing with this chocolate filling, but I chose to show you how you can also elevate your game and mix it with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. You whip the heavy whipping cream till stiff peaks, and then you add 1 tablespoon of the chocolate mixture and you mix. Add a generous amount of the powdered sugar on top of the skull. I'm gonna try to carve the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I'm filling it with cocoa powder. Try to have some fun with it and do it the way you like. It's all natural. I'm not using any dyes or anything, just cocoa powder. I hope you give this recipe a try. This cake is so tender and so delicate. You're gonna love the flavor. And until next time, bon appétit!